several different textures of brick on that station. I got embossed paper that I can fit in. How it's going to look, I don't know, but
It's not that expensive.
it's a